In this course, participating in a discussion is a very important component. Instead of just posting something and leaving it there and never looking at it again, which many courses do operate like that, this course is requiring you to talk about it. So because we're not meeting in person and because through the Google Meets we're not necessarily having those conversations, that's why we're doing it online. So if you want to post a discussion, you found that fairly simple. Clicking on discussions, you can then select whatever discussion you would like to participate in. So if you're on this particular discussion, you simply click on it and it will open up all the discussion threads that everyone has posted. You can click here to post your own thread. But the big question that many people have is, how do I then comment on what I'm reading? So you can actually look at the whole comment that this student has left here, so you can read through that, but the next step is, how do I comment? You click on the link of the title of their discussion thread, and as you scroll down, you'll see their post, and you simply reply to it using this reply to the discussion. The key thing that you want to do in a discussion response is that you want to make sure that you don't just say, I agree, because it doesn't further the discussion. What I want you to do is read through it and either create a question or a counter argument, or even talk about what you posted and how it might be similar or different to what they have posted. Give it a little bit of time, and the idea is that they may come back and post on it. So that's how you respond to a discussion.